At number 5, FIODIO Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. FIODIO Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is custom lighting and media controls. Mechanical linear black switches. Consistent and smooth linear switches feature more stability, fast reaction and accuracy. This mechanical gaming keyboard features 3 DIY backlight modes and 22 fantastic backlight modes. Ergonomic honeycomb wrist rest to relieve discomfort or fatigue of your wrist for long hours working or gaming. At number 4, RK Royal KLUDGE Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Mechanical blue switches for ultimate gaming performance. The ergonomic ABS palm rest provides firm support that alleviates pressure on your wrist from gaming at an elevated angle. This RGB illuminated keyboard has up to 168 LED backlit modes and 7 color side light. The mechanical keys offer medium resistance, audible click sound and tactile feedback. 108 keys full-size keyboard, and all keys non-conflict. At number 3, Corsair K63 Wireless Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Combine with the K63 wireless gaming lap board to create the ultimate go-anywhere desktop experience. Connect using ultra-fast 1 2.4 GHz gaming optimized wireless technology. 100% Cherry MX Red mechanical key switches with gold contacts for fast. Advanced wireless features include Bluetooth technology. 128 bits encryption mode helps protect your keystrokes from wireless eavesdropping to keep your personal data safe. Compact and portable keyless design saves on space and makes travel easy. Up to 20 hours of rechargeable battery-powered wireless use or plug-in via USB wired for uninterrupted gameplay. Per key, blue LED backlighting and large font keycaps deliver vibrant lighting effects. Dedicated multimedia and volume controls to adjust your audio on the fly. Soft touch wrist rest provides comfort to enhance your gameplay. At number 2, Corsair K95 RGB Platinum Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Lightweight and rugged durability, necessary for a keyboard. Aircraft-grade anodized brushed aluminum frame built to withstand a lifetime of gaming. 8 MB profile storage with hardware macro and lighting playback. Adjust each key's color and illumination level in addition to 19 zones on the top edge light bar for sophisticated and dramatic animations. Assign single keystrokes or complex multi-key combos to any of the 6 dedicated macro keys. Unleash blistering speed with the 1.2 mm actuation and durability of gold contact Cherry MX mechanical key switches. Dedicated media and volume controls. Wrist rest full length, detachable, dual-sided with soft touch finish. At number 1, Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro Mechanical Wireless Keyboard. Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro with 3 modes of connection for unrivaled versatility. Razer Green Switch technology provides a satisfying clicky sound with 50 gram of actuation force. Hyperspeed wireless for lag-free gaming, and USB-C for charging while in use. Made of plush leatherette to maximize comfort. Razer Hyperspeed wireless performance for gaming, or connect up to 3 devices in Bluetooth,